I think I might have an iced coffee problem. This is my third one today, and it's not even 3 o'clock. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I clean my makeup brushes and my makeup sponge. I know that there's so many products out there right now to help you clean your brushes and your sponges, but I have found a way that works for me, and it's using all products that I already have at home, staples in my kitchen, so I don't have to worry about running out to the store, buying extra products just to clean my brushes. So I'm super excited to share it with you guys today. If y'all try what you see in this video, let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Also, comment below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, because I want to make sure that I'm giving you the content that you guys want to see. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on my weekly videos here on my channel. And without further ado, if you guys want to see how I get my makeup brushes to go from this to this, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this empty jar that my makeup brushes sit in and pour 1 cup of hot water in there. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of baby shampoo. Sometimes I will use my dish detergent, but right now I have a peppermint scented one, so I'm just going to use baby shampoo. And then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. And I'm gonna stir that. And then I'm gonna set all the brushes that I want to clean inside. And I like using a jar to set them in, because then that way only the bristles are getting wet and it's not sinking down into the handle. So making sure that all the brushes are submerged in the water. I'm going to let that sit for about 15 minutes. And now moving on to beauty sponges. So I have the Real Techniques beauty sponge, as well as my Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge as well. I got this one from Target, and I believe I got this one from Walmart. But as you can see, they are pretty dirty. I use them for foundations and powders, so they have a whole bunch of stuff on them and they need to be cleaned. I'm going to take a bowl and pour just some olive oil in there until there's about that much. And then I'm going to take each beauty blender and I'm just going to stir it around in the olive oil. Once you start doing this, you can see the foundation starting to come off. Then I'm going to stir that around for about a minute. And once the sponge is completely saturated with the olive oil, I'm going to add some baby shampoo to a container. You can use dish soap, but like I said, mine is peppermint, so I don't want to use the peppermint scented one. And then I'm going to also add some hot water, and I'm going to drop the sponge in there. Roll it around some, and then I'm going to let it sit while I do the other sponge. So again, I'm just going to do a bowl with some olive oil. As you can see, it's supposed to be black and white, and none of this is white, so we will see how it turns out. This is a new sponge. I just got it, so this is actually my first time cleaning it, so we'll see how it does. So we're going to put a little bit of baby shampoo in this container. Add some hot water. And drop the sponge in there. And I'm going to roll it around a little bit just to kind of soak up the water and the baby shampoo. And then I'm going to put that to the side to cool down, because you don't want to take the sponges out until the water's cool. Alright y'all, now that it's been about 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and wash the brushes. Give them a good swirl. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna face the brush downwards as I wash it, because you don't want the water to get up here in the handle. And then I'm gonna give it a little swirl on my hand just to make sure that all the product and soap is out from the inside of the brush. And then I'm gonna give it its shape. Gonna squeeze it out so there's no water in it. Again, kind of shape it and then put it on the drying rack. And now moving on to our beauty sponges. There's nothing better than a clean beauty sponge. So same thing, I'm just gonna rinse it really good under the water until the water runs clear. And now you have a nice, new, clean beauty sponge. And let's see about this one. Interested to see about this one. Okay. Nice, new, clean beauty blender. That is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, maybe learned a thing or two about how to clean your makeup brushes and your makeup sponges. Remember, if you use any of the tips I showed you guys in this video, comment them below. I'd love to know how they work out for you guys. And don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on my next videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!